guys, Pam with Normalize Cloth here to talk about how can you renew your hook and loop in your diapers. Hook and loop is wonderful for convenience, but really has a very short lifespan compared to snaps, which is why some people prefer snaps over the hook and loop. However, you can renew your hook and loop to increase its lifespan and keep it working as best as possible with just a couple little maintenance tips. Now, I've looked all over the place for some really good advice as far as how to clean hook and loop, and some of the things I found, a lot of things I found involved using a fine-tooth comb, which was okay, but with things like the GroVia hook and loop shells where it's got the really small hooks, it's not very effective. You literally can't do it. Like, I've tried, it doesn't do anything. And then when it comes to some other methods I saw, which I don't want to exactly say what they used because I don't want people to try it and then damage their diapers, was obviously in this case with damaged diapers, and I don't want to even recommend it or suggest it or even mention it. So, what can we use to clean it? Well, for cleaning the loops portion, most of the time you can get away with a lint roller or something that's going to pick up the lint before you use a lint roller. I don't even use a lint roller, but I use a squeegee. You can find this at the Dollar Tree, and I use this for a lot of things. It's good for pet hair, taking pet hair off your couches, which is not a problem I have because I have no pets, but you can use it to get pet hair off of couches. You can use it for cleaning your windows. You can use it for, I use it for getting lint off of mama cloth, and as well as the inside of any diapers that accumulate lint, since I line dry and I don't use a dryer, and so I don't have that extra lint aid, like getting the lint off kind of thing. So you can use this to just squeegee off the loops portion. I always get it backwards. The loops. You can use this to squeegee off the lint from the loops. And like I said, in conjunction with a lint roller, you can pick it right up. Now, what about the hooks? The hooks is what stumps a lot of people, and especially when you're trying to clean out the GroVia hybrid hook and loop shell. And for this, also available at the Dollar Tree, if you don't already have one, a bristle brush. I've tried using a toothbrush. Toothbrush bristles are a lot less rigid, and so they're very ineffective, I've found in my experience. But these, especially like this one from the Dollar Tree, very, very, very tough bristles without being damaging. So, you know, it works really well with just, you brush in all directions and it comes right out, and I'll show it to you in a minute. But if you already have one, don't go running for it and start wiping at your diapers, because if it's dirty, it's going to deposit that dirt into your hooks, and you don't want that. So you can clean these easily with a fine-tooth comb. Just kind of lift all the hair out of it, or any of the dirt that gets caked into the bottom, like deep in the bristles. And any surface dirt or lint on the bristles, you can literally just wipe off, which is how I clean it in between wiping the diaper. So let me show you how I do it. So I have no idea why I captioned with hoops instead of loops, but it's supposed to be loops. I guess I just kind of combined hook and loop in my head and came up with hoops. So sorry about the caption saying hoops, it's loops. And thanks for watching. You know, I hope this helps you guys. This is stuff you can find at the Dollar Tree. It's pretty available. And if you did find it useful and if it was helpful for you, give this video a thumbs up. If you know another way to clean hook and loop, by all means, comment below, let me know, because I'm very much interested if you know a better way or an easier way or a more effective way or just a different way. I'm very much interested. So thanks for watching. Comment below, let me know if you know a different way or if it helped you. I like to know if things help people. And thanks for watching. See you guys.